Welcome to aminacademy.com in artificial intelligence AI. In that we'll discuss about various actions of AI. First one, action humanly, the Turing test approach. The Turing test proposed by Alan Turing in 1950 was designed to provide a satisfactory operational definition of intelligence. A computer passes the test if a human interrogator, after posing some written questions, cannot tell whether the written responses come from a person or from the computer. It involves natural language processing to enable it to communicate successfully in English, knowledge response representation to store what is known or hears, automated reasoning to use the stored information to answer questions and to draw new conclusions, machine learning to adapt a new circumstances and to direct and exploit patterns. Now, what is Turing test? AI acting humanly. In AI, acting humanly refers to mimicking human behavior, specifically aiming to create a system that can perform tasks and interact in ways indistinguishable for human. This is often assessed through the Turing test, where a machine interacts with an interrogator and is judged based on whether the interrogator can tell it's a machine or a human. Next is AI thinking humanly. What is that? It's the cognitive modeling approach. If we are going to say the given program thinks like a human, we must have some way of determining how humans think. We need to include inside the actual working of your human minds. There are three ways to do this: through introspection, trying to catch our own thoughts as they go by; through psychological experiments, observing a person in action; and through brain imaging, observing the brain in action. Once we have a sufficiently precise theory of the mind, it becomes possible to express the theory as a computer program. Cognitive science is a fascinating field in itself, worthy of several textbooks and at least some encyclopedias. Next, what is that thinking humanly? In AI refers to the approach of creating computer system that mimic human thoughts process, using cognitive modeling to understand and simulate how humans solve problems. This involves studying the mental processes involved in human problem solving and translating them into computational models. Next, thinking rationally. What is that? Thinking rationally. An agent is just something that acts. Agent comes from the Latin word agree, to do. Of course, all computer programs do something, but computer agents are expected to do more: operate autonomously, pursue their environment, persist over a prolonged time period, adapt to change, and pursue goals. A rational agent is one that acts so as to achieve the best outcome, or when there is uncertainty, the best expected outcomes. In the laws of thoughts approach to AI, the emphasis was on correct inferences. Making correct inference is sometimes part of being rational agent, because one way to act rationally is to reason logically to the conclusion that a given action will achieve one's goals and then to act on that conclusion. In AI, thinking rationally refers to the approach of using logic and reasoning the model how humans think, often using a symbolic language. This approach aims to create system that can make sound decisions and solve problems by applying rules and manipulating symbols. Similar to algebraic calculations, the goal is to build AI system that can perform logical inferences and make rational choices based on available knowledge. AI acting rationally. In artificial intelligence, acting rationally refers to designing system that makes decision and take action to achieve their goals given their beliefs or understanding of the world. This means the AI system should behave in a way that maximizes the likelihood of achieving its desired outcomes even if it does not involve reasoning like a human would. So far, we discussed little about the various action of AI. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. We have done.